All right, thanks for tuning in. We're doing a little bit of spring cleaning on the third floor of Building 10. Building 9, we kind of got some old product out, so now it's time to get some old product out of the third floor of Building 10, Eddie West and Habersham. So let me just show you kind of some of the things we have. Habersham has this French country look, but made in America, made in Georgia. Same with Eddie West. Original price $18.95. Now it's $12.95. Same with this. The Eddie West also has that kind of French country or American country look. $13.99, $9.49. Let's see what else. Also, we have a few old Highland House pieces, market samples, chair. $10.59 now, $2.95, and a lot of these prices are below our cost. Just had them for too long and just kind of want to just get rid of them for making some new stuff, which I'll show you later. More Habersham coffee table, original price $9.95, below cost at $5.95, and we have a couple of these in the warehouse too. So some items are most of them are floor items, but some of them we do still have in stock. California king bed. $12.95. I mean, like I say, it's a lot of look for the money. Huge bed. Also, Habersham makes these really cool custom pieces. Original price on this unit $7,559, and is below cost at $4,000, right under $5,000. But it's a ton of work. Like I said, American made. Probably use it for a smaller TV or anywhere else. Coffee tables, some more Highland House upholstery. This started out as $22.89, now it's $12.45, below cost again. We also have some Theodore, Alexandra, things we've had for a long time. Floor lamp, $800, now it's below cost at $349. Let's see what else we have. Some odd chairs here and there. We have this Habersham desk, some nicks and scratches, but nothing you really can't fix. $18.59, below cost at $7.15. Sets of 4 of these chairs from Highland House. So they were, a set of 4 was $19.40, now it's $8.95. Like I said, below cost, but we've had them for too long. The space is more important to us. Again, these are some hardened showroom samples. It was $27.65 for all 4. Now it's at $12.50. So more than half off, and again below our cost, but it's worth it. Some more Habersham occasional pieces. Chest, again that sort of carved French country look. And these 2 chairs, I mean, I don't know who picked this upholstery out, but for $235, maybe you can get it reupholstered, I don't know. Or if you love it, you can get 2. Lily and August piece, also, and honestly, nothing's wrong with it. We've just had it for a while. Over $2,000, now it's under $1,000. And we have some of these Habersham mirrors. They're kind of ornate, but then again, if this kind of goes with your look, I mean, we have $500, which was already reduced to $229. This one was $14.69, and now it's $395. So, I don't know who would have paid that much to begin with. Obviously, no one. But there it is, under $400. Again, set of 6 chairs. Original cost or price was $4,460. Now it's $995, under $1,000. And these are all, off the floor. Some more Habersham, $27.95, now under $2,000. Again, nothing is wrong with a lot of these pieces. They are pre-distressed to look like this. We've just had them for a while. $8.95 to $4.99, close out from Habersham as well. We got some more upholstery. Highland House, again, nothing is wrong, but $12.29 market sample is now $5.95. And we have 2 of them. A lot of these we do have 2s of. This is a pretty cool piece. I mean, I don't know if it was, I don't even know, 7,000. Now it's under 4,000. I mean, ton of work. It has that kind of wavy, vintage-looking glass. I mean, there's just a lot of work material in this piece, and it is in the right space. It would look awesome. Let's see what else we have. And we still have some, non-clearance items. I mean, Highland House, this is new. I mean, a few months old, less than a year. So not everything over here is marked down, but a lot of it is. Eddie West coffee table. Started out at $350, now it's $129, again below our cost. Nothing is wrong with it. Some more chests. This one, we have 2 of these. Started off at $15.29. Then we marked it down to $11.95, couldn't sell it, so now they're $6.99. 2 of those guys. And then we do have some one-off chairs from Eddie West, $75, made in America. Sometimes it's hard to do something with one chair, but that's what happens sometimes. They're hard to sell. We already have been selling some things. This Eddie West table is $5.99, marked down to $2.99. It is sold, and the chairs have sold as well. I don't know if you want to get back here, but we have some pretty big Eddie West pieces. This guy started off at $3,389. Now it's $17.95, below cost. Again, in the right space. Looks pretty. There's nothing wrong with it. That Americana country look. I just have a nice pan. The whole space.
Devon 17. Devon 17.
Let me just get through here. More Eddie West. Again, $9.25 to $5.95. One-off. Hardened bedroom set. We have a few hardened bedroom sets that we've just had for a while. Moved up here. Most of our hardened on the 2nd floor. And then we do have more of this sort of modern look from Harden showroom sample. So this bed, the whole set with the nightstands is $14.95, marked down from $32.95. These guys are only $2.79 a piece. So it sort of has that craftsman kind of look. And
Ashley, can you call 5926, please? Ashley, 5926.
some more Eddie West, and then we also have some Theodore markdowns, Theodore Alexander, around as well. But also a lot of new Theodore up here too. So again, not everything is clearance, but a lot of our older items are. And we'll just give you a little pan, a little tour. Got some pairs of chairs. Again, more Eddie West and some Theodore. Just kind of a little bit of a hodgepodge. But what we're going to next is sort of what we want to make room for. But as we go, there are just a lot of good deals. Green Boneyard tag. So this is some of the stuff we want to make room for. It's a company called Rough Sawn. It's out of Canada, but has that sort of more patina where you can see the actual marks of, I guess, the saw or whatever they use to finish the product. It's also they use a lot of metal, so it's kind of like an industrial kind of Americana. Also some live edge. I don't think this is a different company called Whitewood, which is also made in America, But again, the Rough Sawn out of Canada. This is another example. I mean, really cool with the legs, the beam underneath there. I mean, has a bench to go with it. So this is a 3-piece set. What do we got? We have the table, and 2 benches for $48.29. So again, yeah, it is a little pricey, but ton of work in this. Obviously, they have these really cool chairs as well. That leather, kind of an industrial farmhouse in a way. And then we also have a little bit more of the craftsman kind of look, a little bit more subdued, a little bit more subtle, but this is the stuff we're selling a lot of, so it'd be nice to make some room. So 3rd floor of Building 10, we're doing some spring cleaning, and just get a Gail or Lisa to help you out.